Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tapon app. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Tapon app and you will enter here in this page. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.